It's March, so you know what that means.
If you're black, you're mourning an untimely death of Notorious B.I.G.
R.I.P. Big.
But if you're white, March means St. Patrick's Day.
White people, this doesn't apply to you, so you can turn this video off.
Here are a few tips to help you get through St. Patty's Day as a black person.
See, first, white people are gonna dye everything green. I'm talking about their hair, their food, and their drink. Shit looks disgusting.
I painted my dick green.
People are going to be wearing kilts. Now this will be confusing because kilts are Scottish and this is an Irish holiday. But remember, sometimes white people confuse themselves too.
It's pretty helpful to watch the movie The Departed. It's basically an Irish version of The Godfather, which is basically a white version of American Gangster with Denzel. They're gonna be quoting that shit all day. Don't trip though, that's actually a pretty good movie.
And whatever you do, wear something green. Now I know as a black person, green doesn't match anything on your outfit, but trust me, if you don't, you're gonna have people coming up and pinching you all night long. Just go ahead and take that old rec league jersey out of the closet.
It's not great.
And lastly, and this is going to be very hard, do not get mad when a drunk white person says,
St. Patrick's Day celebrates the worst racial discrimination this country has ever seen.
No disrespect to Irish immigrants. They did have it really hard.
But Irish people nowadays
Are white as hell. They good.
When a black person gets pulled over on St. Patrick's Day, it's because he looks suspicious. But when a white person gets pulled over, it's because the cop wants to share his extra shamrock shake. Cops love shamrock shakes.
don't get mad, y'all, just breathe.
So that's it, y'all. Keep those things in mind and you'll have a great St. Patrick's Day. Top of the morning to ya.
Top of the morning to ya.
Hey, how come there's no black leprechauns?